We're Mike and Kathleen of woodshopmike.com, and welcome to episode 8. That's 7. Hey guys, we're Mike and Kathleen of woodshopmike.com, and welcome to episode 8 of the Scrapwood Challenge.
It's good to be back, guys. If you are new around here, the way this goes is that Kathleen and I make something out of scrap wood. She wins, and I feel sorry for myself, which is why we haven't done one.
No, it's not. We've been busy.
Yeah,
but we're back, and we love you guys. So, we're changing it up a little bit this week. We're going to pick the wood that each other can use for the project. So we're going to see how that goes.
Yep.
So, should we get picking?
Let's get picking.
All right. Oh my gosh.
Different kind of picking?
Different kind of picking.
You want to shake my hand?
Not really.
Okay.
What shall we pick? Get a little wormy chestnut.
That is the firewood pile.
That's right. It's going to make an excellent project if you're smart enough.
I hate you.
You can have 2. You could make salad tongs.
You could make salad tongs.
Now, this is your bucket. Let's see what we have over here.
I'm more in favor of things like that.
Your turn. We both get firewood scraps?
Yeah, I'm going to be nice, though. I'm going to give you a chunky piece of firewood.
Thank you.
Just in case.
It's like frugal Santa.
Yeah. Hey, it's been a tight year, okay? And I'll be like Oprah. Everybody gets one.
You get one, and you get one.
Let's do this.
I'm really scared. It's not a lot. So now we have to decide what we're going to make.
Yeah. Let's get to that.
I already chose yours. You're making salad tongs.
Ah, that's right.
I don't think so.
What's up?
You got any ideas?
Yeah. Let's not do this next week.
Agreed.
All right.
All right, well, the dust is settled and we're done building for the evening. So, Kathleen, what'd you make?
I made a cake stand.
Nice.
Thanks.
Where's the cake?
Sorry, I didn't have time to make cake. Got a little late, but yeah. The bottom is made of ash. The top is made of poplar. It actually took sanding down through a really thick and nasty layer of old cruddy stain to figure out what type of wood this was. So now we have it. It's beautiful. I think it turned out well.
Yeah, it sure did.
Yeah. I'll let you make me a cake tomorrow.
Sure.
To test it out.
You got it.
Perfect. What did you make, Mike?
I made a beer caddy out of some of that same nasty 1940s or whatever poplar. I used a new tool to the shop called the Restorer to give this a rough texture. And yeah, I have beer for my items, so I don't really buy your excuse.
Well, here.
Now you have
Now
beer.
it's complete.
Okay. All right. Well, you guys know what to do. Head over to our Instagram stories or comment below for who you think won this challenge.
And make sure you're hitting that like and subscribe button because you know you love us.
Yes.
And until next time, have fun making something.
We'll see you. We're back!
Okay.
So for the up there.
We actually didn't know what wood species this was. We didn't know what it was. And welcome to episode 8. That's 7.
That's our intro blooper.
I'm out. That's 8.
This is going so well.